So how it all started is the PhD of Ben Dolman, our CEO. What he did is he looked at fermentation and was trying to take already known technologies and use process engineering and great British engineering knowledge to actually come up with the solutions. And in that, what he did is he got an initial £50,000 grant to start scoping the technology and to understand how it can be used. From there, Holiferm was incorporated in 2018, and the first investment came from ICOS Capital of £1 million. That's when I joined the company, and that's when we took the first upstream development of a base process and then moving it into scale up, and to where you see behind me where I'm sitting right now is the first UK commercial plant for lipids, producing over 1,000 tons of biosurfactants. And we've done that in a journey of since 2020 to now, so just over three and a bit years, from a lab space no bigger than a kitchen to now having two major locations and currently over 44 employees.